In this lesson, we will learn how to create a banner image with Google Gemini. We will also add a text to it. Let's see. So this is our Google Gemini. Click New Chat. Now I'll type create a banner image for Amazon.com with the text your shop. Okay. Submit. Okay, here it is. Some samples. You can download the images from here. You can also generate more from here. Click here to get the full size image. You can also mention the size. Click here to download all the images or share. With that, you can copy it from here. If you're not getting any image results, refresh your Google Gemini and try again. Okay. Let me rename it. Create a banner image. Okay. So guys, in this way, you can easily use Google Gemini to create images. If you're not getting the images, you just need to refresh it and try again. Thank you for watching the video.